Hi friends, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda if you're new, and today I have been seeing this craft project on Pinterest and some of the crafting boards, and I'm super excited to do it. So anyway, we're going to make a bunny using some Dollar Tree things and some yarn, and it's going to be so much fun. Anyway, so glad you can join us. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with what you are going to need. I picked up this bunny to use just as a form from the Dollar Tree. This is a Dollar Tree box cutter. My hot glue gun, of course. My glue sticks of choice are always the Gorilla glue sticks. Those are the best. I love those. And then I did purchase some, I think it's called chunky yarn. I did buy that at Walmart. It was around $6. A couple other things you're going to need are some scissors and some ribbon for maybe decoration, things like that. Just whatever you want to decorate it with, and some cardboard. I just used an Amazon box. So you can use whatever you want to, or you could just freehand a bunny I'm not good enough to freehand a bunny, but I'm just tracing around it with a pen. Now it does have these little notches from the frame, but I just kind of go over those and I'll just kind of cut around them. The idea is just to give you a look of what the bunny would be. Now I did want to fold his ear over, so I'm playing with some little designs here to see if I want to leave his ear up or if I want to put it down. Just, whatever you want to do with it, but that's kind of what I'm doing there, just to try to get my basic shape line. That you can use a pencil, whatever you want to do. So then once you get that, then I am going to use my box cutter here from the Dollar Tree, and I am just going to cut around that. You could use scissors, you could use a nice whatever. You could, an X-Acto knife would work really well, but this box cutter from the Dollar Tree is super handy. I also want to say I titled this a Dollar Tree Makeover because you don't have to use the cardboard. You could actually take all of the decorations off of that metal form and do this on there. I just thought it was kind of neat to be able to use the cardboard. So you can make it over or just make a whole new one just out of, again, leftover stuff of what you already have. Now here I'm just kind of going over, just making that folded over ear a little bit better, and I do end up taking a little bit of scissors and just cleaning up the edges a little bit there. I'm also taking my scissors and making those arms just go up a little bit, just because I really wanted the yarn to fold over in those places, because I was afraid it would wouldn't have enough distinction in the shape. Now it is time to start hot gluing. I started hot gluing on the back, just to give a clean edge, and then I'm just putting a little bit of hot glue, and then I am wrapping it all the way around. You could cut each piece, you don't have to put it on the back, but I found it easiest and fastest to do it that way. And this whole project still doesn't use a whole lot of yarn, so I didn't think I was wasting that much. But anyway, I just do that for the other side. Oh, I'm out of the camera thing there, but basically again we just hot glue it and then make sure that each of the loops are close together, and then a little hot glue to secure it. And again, I wanted to do those legs separate from the bunny. I just wanted that kind of indentation, that little distinctive what was a leg and what was the body. And again, we're just going to glue and hot glue and wrap, and I do just put a little bit of reinforced hot glue from time to time. The only thing you really have to be careful of is when you're doing a like a curved edge, you want to make sure you reinforce that hot glue, just because it really can start to slide. Now on some of these I just use like little strips, and some of them I wrapped all the way around. It really just depended on how much room. I didn't want it to get too bulky. So again, you're welcome to cut each individual strip. I just wrapped it for time's sake. But you can see here that some of them I'm cutting and some of them I'm just wrapping, just to make it all fit nice and snug without being too bulky. Here I'm just lining it all up, and I'm showing you that you can kind of see those indentations now because of the way I did that. I did decide here it was easier just to cut them than to wrap them, and you can see that I'm just kind of cutting it and hot gluing it on the front, and then when I get done I'll just flip it over and hot glue all those little pieces on the back. I found that just to be the fastest way to do it. And we'll do the same thing with the other arm. And I'm just using my scissors there so I don't burn myself with the hot glue. That's one of those lessons you just learn from experience, I'll say. So yeah, now I'm just taking those little pieces and sticking them in there. You can use scrap ribbon, whatever you got left over. I'm just showing you here that I am using the burlap from the Dollar Tree, but again, use whatever you got. I didn't realize my camera had died, so I just made a couple little bows just to kind of show you which ones I like. That other one was made from a Dollar Tree headband, so I'm just putting that on there. And now I decided I wanted a little bit of pink on the ears and the feet, so I just grabbed this blush. Is from the Dollar Tree. I use it for myself. I love it. I just added a little bit of blush to it, and I love how this turned out. It went from this and some cardboard to this. So sweet, so cuddly, so soft. Guys, you guys have to do this project. It's super sweet, super easy to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for spending time with me and crafting along with me. If you have any ideas or little things or Easter crafts or other bunnies that you've done, be sure to leave me a link or a comment in the description box below so we can just learn from each other and craft together. Anyway, guys, again, thank you so much. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.